Children, see the table and know the differences. What are the differences between the traditional form of agriculture and modern agriculture? And see the highlighted words also. First, in traditional agriculture, everything is done manually. Most of the things are done manually. Crops are sowed manually. And in modern agriculture, crops are sown with the help of machinery. Traditional. It suffers from unpredictable climatic conditions. Whereas in modern farming method, scientific methods are used and therefore deal with unforeseen weather conditions very well. In traditional form of agriculture, low input. In modern agriculture, high input. In traditional agriculture, animal waste is used as fertilizer, whereas in modern agriculture, fertilizers are made in factories from various chemicals. In traditional agriculture, yield is less, means production is less but whereas the per cap acre yield is high in modern agriculture. In traditional agriculture, it requires a great amount of laborers, and that's why the jobs are more here. And in modern agriculture, it does not require a great amount of laborers, since I told you machines do most of the work. Green Revolution. Do you know, children, the Green Revolution is the increase in crop production, and this increase was specially in two crops. First one was wheat and the second one was rice. And why there was a green revolution means production radically it increased. Why? Due to the following reasons. By using HYV seeds. Do you know, children, HYV seeds? High yielding variety seeds, pesticides, new agricultural equipments, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, and assured irrigation facilities. But impacts, we will see the influence of Green Revolution. The production of food grains increased. It is a capital intensive agriculture, means lots of money is required for this type of agriculture. It led to an increase in employment. It led to the increase in the income of the small farmers as well as agricultural laborers. It enhanced the agricultural output to be exported. Thus, in turn, improved India's creditworthiness in the eyes of the World Bank and other leading international agencies. Children, let me explain you this. It enhanced means it increased the production in the field of agriculture, and because excess of food was there, so it was exported, and because of this India's creditworthiness increased, and now we can take credit. Okay, and the increase in irrigation led to the construction of new dams to harness monsoon water, and this boosted industrial growth. Now children, get ready for the questions. Question number 1. Name any two cash crops. Question number 2. How does agriculture improve the living standards of farmers? Question number 3. In which type of farming machinery is used? Question number 4. Write one impact of Green Revolution. Children, are you ready to give the answers? So just start giving the answer, and in this way your chapter concludes here. Thank you.